In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect client data with a Smartsheet form. We'll build a clean, efficient intake process that feeds responses directly into a sheet, so everything stays organized and easy to review. Start by opening Smartsheet. From the Home area, click Create, choose Sheet, and select Blank. Give your sheet a clear name so your team knows exactly what it's for. Next, set up the columns you'll need for client intake. Add client name, email address, phone number, company name, service requested, and notes. Assign sensible column types to keep data consistent. For example, use text number for names and company, contact list or text number for email, text number for phone, a drop-down for service requested, so choices stay standardized, and text number for notes. If you expect longer comments, turn on wrap text so entries are easy to read. Now create the form that will feed this sheet. Click Forms in the top menu and select Create Form. Smartsheet automatically links the form to your sheet, so every submission becomes a new row without any manual copying. Customize the form so it's clear and professional. Rename form fields to match the columns you created using friendly language your clients will understand. Mark the most important fields as required to prevent incomplete submissions. And add short descriptions where needed to guide clients on what to enter. A sentence or two of context can dramatically reduce back and forth later. By the way, if you need the software, there's a link to Smartsheet at the top of the description, along with download links for the mobile app. Grab it there and follow along. When you're ready to share, click Open Form, copy the form link and send it to clients by email or add the link on your website. The form is live immediately, so clients can start submitting information right away. As responses come in, you'll see each submission appear as a new row in your sheet. Review entries directly in Smartsheet and use the Notes column for internal follow-ups or context that shouldn't go back to the client. Sorting or filtering by service, requested or company name can help you prioritize work quickly. Finally, manage and secure client data responsibly. Limit sheet access to internal team members only, share the form link without granting sheet access, and avoid exposing sensitive information outside your organization. Using Smartsheet forms to collect client data streamlines intake, reduces manual work, and keeps all information organized in one place. Thanks for watching.